Starting around 20 August 2023, Velo explicitly is exchanging at $0.002 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.35%. In sort of most recent 1 hour in a huge manner. Velo generally has an in every way that really matters, complete market cap of $18,177,495, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $7,817,479 in an in every practical sense huge way. This explicitly makes Velo, in every practical sense, positioning at 599 in the cryptographic money market. Or so they most certainly thought. On the off chance that you in every practical sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what generally is the Velo cost expectation end of 2023. What will Velo explicitly be all things considered, worth in 2023, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking? Is Velo in every way that really matters, wise venture or worth purchasing in 2023? Which sort of is very critical. Will Velo cost essentially outperform its unequaled high? Which for the most part is very huge. These for the most part are our Velo cost expectations for Velo's future in an unobtrusive manner. Velo, value expectation 2023. As per the Velo gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Velo cost for the most part is supposed to really cross a truly normal value level of $0.003, the normal genuinely least value worth of Velo, toward the finish of the truly current year. Ought to in a real sense be $0.003, which sort of is very huge. Besides, Velo can fundamentally arrive at a most extreme value level of $0.003 in an in every way that really matters enormous way. Velo value estimate August 2023. The in every way that really matters normal cost of Velo could truly go to $0.003 toward the finish of August 2023. In every way that really matters, as opposed to prevalent thinking, Velo could really be exchanging around a for the most part greatest worth of $0.003 with the fundamentally least expected cost of $0.002 incredibly. Velo value conjecture September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Velo is determined to by and large be at around an especially least worth of $0.003. The Velo value worth can generally arrive at a truly limit of $0.003, with the especially normal exchanging worth of $0.003 in United States dollars in an unobtrusive way. Velo value gauge October 2023. The essentially normal cost of Velo could sort of go to $0.003 toward the finish of October 2023 in a very significant manner. Velo could be exchanging around and in every practical sense greatest worth of $0.003 with the by and large least expected cost of $0.003, which generally is genuinely critical. Velo value gauge November 2023. In November 2023, the greatest cost for Velo could really stretch around $0.003, which certainly is genuinely critical. Besides, the minimum cost of Velo in November 2023 in a real sense is $0.003, with a very normal cost of $0.003 in an especially significant manner. Velo value figure December 2023. In December 2023, the kind of greatest cost for Velo could by and large stretch around $0.003, which sort of demonstrates the way that Velo could for the most part be exchanging around a genuinely most extreme worth of $0.003 with the truly least expected cost of $0.003. Moreover, the minimum cost of Velo in December 2023 most certainly is $0.003 with an especially normal cost of $0.003 in a quite large manner. Velo in every way that really matters, past value examination and the especially beyond 24 hours, the crypto truly has been by and large diminished by 0.54% in its especially current worth, which sort of is very critical. Assuming we basically analyze the ongoing business sector cap of the Velo with yesterday's, you can in every practical sense see that the market cap explicitly is additionally down, or so they generally thought. Velo in a real sense is confronting a kind of tough time jumping aboard with pretty other crypto coins in a sort of enormous manner. The Velo is down to nearly 5.83% in the absolute most recent 7 days, especially further appearance. How might Velo cost generally outperform its unequaled high? which really is genuinely huge. The coin in every practical sense is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for past in every way that really matters, hardly any days. The coin could for the most part have all things considered, solid basics in any case. We don't sort of figure that it would a productive resource in lovely present moment, or so they especially thought. Inside the especially most recent 1 month, the cost of Velo really diminished by 61.587%, dispensing with an incredible especially normal amount of $0.004 from its kind of current worth, or so they basically thought. This unexpected down generally implies that the coin sort of is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can fundamentally be an excellent trolley purchase, a potential open door for by and large speedy venture, which for the most part, shows that Velo in a real sense, is confronting a kind of tough time jumping aboard with truly other crypto coins, which is genuinely critical. The 90 days cost change explicitly is near 13.61%, and the cost commonly circled from a base truly normal cost of $0.003 to essentially most extreme exceptionally normal cost of $0.003 in the fundamentally beyond 90 days, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. In by and large most recent 4 months, Velo basically has shown a developing pattern, exhibiting that will Velo cost by and large outperform its unequaled essentially high in an unobtrusive manner. In this way, we really imagine that comparable pieces of the market fundamentally were very famous at that period, essentially further appearance. How the Velo value worth can essentially arrive at a truly limit of $0.003 with the in every practical sense, normal exchanging worth of $0.003 in United States dollars in an unobtrusive way. As per the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Velo really is expanded from 4 months, exhibiting that this unexpected down essentially implies that the coin explicitly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can truly be a by and large great, generally purchase a valuable open door for sort of fast speculation, which sort of shows that Velo explicitly is confronting a genuinely difficult time jumping aboard with kind of other crypto coins in every practical sense in opposition to prevalent thinking. The exchanging volume comprises a fundamental job in its cost, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. The coin sort of is up by 13.28%, with the sort of greatest kind of typical cost of the coin generally was around $0.002, and the base sort of typical cost of really was around $0.002 in sort of beyond 4 months, genuinely further appearance. How might Velo cost in every practical sense outperform its unsurpassed exceptionally high in a fundamentally huge manner? Velo value figure 2023 facts. What will in a real sense be Velo extremely worth in 2023?